Hi, Stephanie with Charmed Southern Home. Today we're going to be making a rag bow using the Bow-Dabra. You're going to need a pair of scissors, your Bow-Dabra, and 3 different colors of fabric. You're going to notch a place in the fabric and then rip it into strips about 1.5 inches wide. You're going to need 3 collars and just pull off your loose strings from the sides of the fabric. And then you're going to put a piece in the bottom to use as the piece to tie it with. And then we're going to start layering our different fabrics in there one at a time. Twist as you put it into the center of the Bow-Dabra. That way you'll have the right sides of the fabric showing. And then leave your tails however long you would like for your tails to be. And so I just alternate using each fabric. And then once I get everything all layered, then I'm going to take the piece that I put in the base originally, and that's going to be the piece that I tie everything up with. So I've got the pretty floral one there in the front. So now I'm going to take that piece that's in the bottom after I get everything layered, and then I'm going to tie that kind of in a loose knot. I'm going to pull it on out of the Bow-Dabra, and I'm going to pull that knot around to the back of my fabric and tie it nice and tight into a knot. And then I have my tails there that I can trim up however long I want. And I'm going to take this cute flower that I got from Hobby Lobby, add it to the center. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Charmed Southern Home. Thanks for watching.